Wait. Did you also struggle with this? When I was preparing for my first year Urdu test, there was a question in section C. मंदरजा झेल में से किसी एक शायर के कलाम की 10 खुसूसियात तहरीर करें. One of the poets was Nazir Akbar Abadi. The problem was I couldn't find the full answer in my notes and even the articles online were very short and incomplete. They didn't explain how to actually write the answer in the board exam. So let me explain the correct structure. In the Sindh board exam, you cannot just write random points. Your answer must follow this pattern. Introduction, Hurfe Aghaaz, couplets from the poet, एक शेर, explanation of 10 characteristics with headings, खुसूसियात कलाम और शायरी पर तबसरा, critics opinion, नाकदीन के आरा, what other poet says about this poet, conclusion, हुर्फ़े आखिर. If you don't follow this structure, you might lose marks. So how would you introduce the poet? I'm trying to explain it in English so the wider audience can grasp what type of poet he was. And in the end of this video, there is a gift for you. Nazir Akbar Abadi is known as one of the most unique poets of Urdu literature. Unlike many classical poets who wrote about love and romance, Nazir wrote about everyday life. He talked about poverty, markets, festivals, food, and ordinary people. Because of this, many critics call him the poet of the common people. Awami Shair. In the first year Sindh board textbook, one of his poems is included in the syllabus, which is called Rahe Naam Allah Ka. This poem reflects spiritual awareness and reminds people that ultimately everything depends on God. When writing the answer in exam, you should mention headings for each characteristic of his poetry. For example, humanity, insan dosti, insaniyat or masawat. You will find the message of humanity in his poetry. He condemns every act of distinguishing between rich and poor on the basis of caste and greed. Realism, haqiqat pasandi. He was a poet who talked about real life problems and he didn't dwell into love and all those other affairs which many Urdu classical poets goes into. Simplicity of the language, sada zuban. Social reflection, muasharati akasi, humor and satire. He used that perfectly. Tanzo mazah. Moral teaching, ikhlaqi pehlu, ikhlaqi asbaab. Everyday themes, awami mawzuat. Nazam nigari. His way of writing nazam, poems. Depth and simplicity. His poetry was like that. He used simple words, but there was a depth in each sentence. Many critics appreciate the poetry of Nazir Akbar Abadi. They say his poetry represents the real life of society. Unlike other classical poets, he did not limit himself to royal courts or romantic subjects. Instead, he wrote about the lives of ordinary people, which makes his poetry very relatable even today. So, if you are preparing for your first year Urdu exam, remember this structure. Start with a short introduction, write headings for each characteristic, support theme with couplets, mention critics' opinions, and finally end with a strong conclusion. This will help you write a complete answer and score better marks in the exam. If you want the full Sindh board exam answer with all the 10 headings, couplets, and Naqadeen ki Ara of Nazir Akbar's Abadi poetry, comment notes below and I will share you the complete PDF with you.